Hey friends, welcome back. Today, we're drawing something super juicy and sweet, a glittery papaya. Let's go! Glitty Art, English! First, I start by drawing the sliced part of the papaya. Then, I draw the inner flesh part. This is called the mesocarp. After that, I sketch the whole papaya behind the slice to make it look complete. Finally, I add some seeds inside the slice. It makes the drawing more fun and realistic. Now, let's color it. I begin with the top stem and color it using a glittery brown. This part connects the papaya to the tree. Next, I use dark glitter green for the bottom side and fill the whole outer body with bright glitter green. Did you know? The skin of unripe papaya is green and turns yellow-orange as it ripens. I also color the sliced edge with glitter green to show the skin. Then, for the juicy flesh inside, I use glittery orange-yellow. This part is sweet and full of vitamins. Fun fact, papayas are rich in vitamin C and are great for your digestion. Finally, I color the seeds black. Papaya seeds are small, round, and edible too, though they taste a little spicy. And there you have it, a sparkling papaya drawing that's fun and fruity. If you liked this drawing, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more cute and colorful art. See you in the next video.